Hey guys, so today is Wednesday, and today is my traveling eve. Okay, I'm traveling tomorrow, so I've been busy packing my things, trying to arrange things. And yes, I just want to show you how I pack my things, how I pack my box when traveling. And I'm only going for about 1 or 2 weeks. It may take up to 2 weeks, but maybe one week plus to 2 weeks. And I'm going to Calabar for the popular Calabar Carnival, and to go rest my bag a little and pat myself on the back. So I'm going to show you guys more of what I'll be doing, but for now let me show you what I put in my box when I'm traveling and what I'll be putting in my box today, because I have to prep my box ahead of tomorrow. My flight is by 3 in the afternoon, but I have to prepare right now and wait for it. Okay, so let's get right into the packing. First of all, I have my clothes here on the bed. I have clothes already folded. There's my bikini, so I arranged them properly like this and kept them on the bed, so that when I'm transferring them into the box, I won't be passing through so much stress. So that's why I did this. This is not all what I'm traveling with, but at least I have this one right here. So the next thing is my box, and here I've already arranged my undies in here. So this is where I have my underwears, and I'm going to start packing my clothes into the box. So another thing that I want to show you is this bag that I just got. Okay, I bought this bag online, and it was shipped to me from Lagos. Okay, I actually got 2 of them. The second one is brown color. Let me show it to you, because it looks more like Jehovah's Witness bag, like I'm going preaching. So I don't really like this one, but I like this one, and I'm going to travel with this one. The next thing I'm going to pack is my makeup stuff, and here I'm using I have my makeup purse here, so I'm going to pack everything in here. And yes, I'm just taking only the very important ones. The next thing I'm going to pack is a few jewelries that I'll use for my trip, and then I'm going to make use of these for my wristwatch. So I'm just going to remove this foam because I won't be needing it. I'm just trying to save space here, so I'm going to put in my jewelries in here. This is to save me a whole lot of space. My wristwatch still goes in there, bangle, and yes, The next thing I'm going to do is to pack my skincare essentials, and here I have my lotion here and glycerin and the cotton wool. I have saffron here, got to be gel, styling gel, and I have these little containers here that I want to store each of these things because I can't travel with all these. It's too bulky, so I want to reduce them to smaller size so they can all fit into this bag here. So let's get packing. And then I'm going to get my rose water, my DIY rose water toner. So here is rose water. I'm just going to pour it into the spritz bottle. Then I'm going to add a few strands of saffron to this. Saffron is very good for the skin, so I'll be adding it to make my DIY rose water and saffron toner. Okay, the saffron is going to make the rose water to change. As you can see, the color is beginning to change already. And the next thing I'll be needing is this cotton wool, so I'll just need to take some because I can't go with all of these. So the next thing I'm going to do is get my sneakers and my shower cap, and I'm just going to put this in here. I saw this hack online, and I'm going to fix my socks in here just to so these are the other things that I'll be needing as well, and I have a little bag here to pack them in. So these are perfume, my deodorant, and a few ladies essentials, soap, and then I'm going to add my shaving sticks in here. And this is the other thing I wanted to show you. I'm traveling with 2 sunglasses and I don't want to use 2 pouch like this, so I just have to transfer one to the other. That's why I have one laying on the other, so I'll be able to save space by putting the 2 of them like this together. And I have to be careful. And here we go.